Well guys, it is a snowy morning here, kinda green and snow. Anyway, we checked the minnow trap and we got quite the variety in here. Green sunfish again, little catfish, quite a few of these little darter fish, whatever they are. Got the smallest little green sunfish, bluegill, whatever it is that I've ever seen. That is crazy. We'll chuck him in there. There he goes. Female crayfish. That's how I know it's a female. Look at all the eggs underneath on that thing. That is awesome. We will let her go here in the pond. Little tadpole. God bless.